To turn on Picture-in-Picture on YouTube, start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Make sure your device and YouTube app are updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to the Picture-in-Picture feature. Next, start playing a video on YouTube. Then press the home button on your device to exit the YouTube app. The video will pause and a prompt will appear asking if you want to continue playing the video in Picture-in-Picture mode. If you do not see the prompt, you may need to enable Picture-in-Picture mode in your device settings. To do this, go to your device settings, then select Apps, and find the YouTube app. Look for the Picture-in-Picture option and toggle it to the on position. Once Picture-in-Picture mode is enabled, you can resize the video window by pinching your fingers together or apart on the screen. You can also move the video window around the screen by dragging it with your finger. To switch back to full screen mode, simply tap the video window. This will take you back to the YouTube app and the video will continue playing in full screen mode. It is worth noting that Picture-in-Picture mode may not be available on all devices or in all regions. However, if you have a compatible device and the latest version of the YouTube app, you should be able to use Picture-in-Picture mode without any issues. By following these steps, you can easily turn on Picture-in-Picture on YouTube and enjoy your favorite videos while using other apps on your device. This feature is especially useful if you want to watch a video while browsing the internet or checking your email.